The MK party has reaffirmed its position that it would urgently take South Africa's Electoral Commission IEC to court over allegations of electoral rigging following days of speculation. Sabe namashoko kuti una IEC aiwa chiniso makozi kuti bosubscribe oleka kuti nawo the bell icon. Notipina mnavanyora vachiti the party led by former President Jacob Zuma intends to go to court to ask the IEC to annul the results of the 2024 elections following objections from several parties. It will be the first time since the dawn of the democracy that the IEC will be taken to the courts for its results. They were declared at the Results Operations Center in Midrand last Sunday. Several political parties that participated in the elections have come together to challenge the result as new and void. In a statement issued yesterday, MK Party said it would consider entering the National Assembly when it opens after the conclusion of the judicial process. The MK Party will only consider entering Parliament after the conclusion of our imminent urgent court applications, where we will present sufficient evidence to demonstrate that the IEC rigged the elections to the detriment of the MK Party and other parties, wrote party spokesperson Gumalo Ndlela. Sando zvatikuona kuti panapa aya vakomana vari kutanza representatives edu vakaelectowa vazozopinda muparliament kana nhau iyi isati yapresentiwa, saka vari kuti vanozopinda muparliament kana vakwanisa kupresenta their full evidence yavanayo yekuti IEC yakariga maelections akaitwa last month. Aiwa hazviperi mushe muri Zimbabwe, chimbotiudzei mafungiro enyu noti kudii pamusoro aiwa painitiative ikurohwa neMK Party ichiti aiwa yakunosungisa IEC. Tiudzei mafungiro enyu pinai comment section medu musangano subscribe kulike chinotina on the bell icon.